right, Doris? Long time no see, actually.
I know.
You ain't been on a video on the Grub page for ages.
I know, I've been busy working at the flat. You've been here painting and doing bits and bobs.
Football with Frank, painting here.
Painting
the kitchen.
Changed the wheels yesterday on your van, didn't we?
Changed the wheels yesterday. So I'm lower. I felt lower driving in this morning.
That was eventful.
Yeah, it was. Rob come to change all the tyres.
Yes.
Yeah.
He changed all the wheels and all the tyres on your van and then put some of your wheels on my van.
What's a lovely man, actually.
He's a nice fella, isn't he?
Yeah.
Rob? But me and Brad are off to Rochester. To the merch man.
Okay.
To go and see him because we've got new branding, new hats, new t-shirts, new jumpers,
new merch,
hoodies, tracksuits, mugs, stickers, all coming done properly.
Ooh, have we got muscle fit?
Yeah, we have actually.
Have we actually?
No, we haven't.
Gym wear.
Active wear. So yeah, we're going to go and see him and then we're going to be launching the merch in September.
Nice.
So we've got a photo shoot booked in with the boys, loads of marketing videos and bits to do with it.
So all of our merch and everything was going to be over at the baldbuilders.com.
Baldbuilders.com, yeah. The guys sorting out the website as well, making it look professional. And we're going to do it properly. He's got all the sizes, smalls, mediums, XXLs, XXXXL.
I'm going to look to say 7 to 10 days delivery, just to be sure.
Just to be sure, because obviously he's going to have some in stock and then he's going to make sure that he's got the things to actually send out.
Yeah.
So no one's asking where their stuff is. So that'll be good. And then we're going to start a new Instagram just for the clothing.
Okay.
So all the photos, everything. So you'll see what size people are wearing.
Okay.
So you'll know that I wear an XL.
Oh, so what you're saying is you need me to model them?
No.
Yeah,
oh.
The only person we're not getting to model is you.
Oh, okay.
Not joking. Yeah, so other people...
I saw your video the other day. Have you got models coming in?
Yes.
Are you doing that, yeah?
Yeah, we got models
So
coming.
we got sacked off?
Yeah, because...
Times have evolved.
Yeah, it's just... It looks better when someone else is doing models. We ain't models.
Rather than me. What do you mean?
We're not models. So they're going to come in and do the photos.
That was pretty cringy last time when we done them in the thing against the OSB.
Yeah, it's really exciting actually. We've brought like a proper studio set up for it, all the lights and everything. So yeah, we'll keep you posted when it's launching. But September is the day.
Nice t-shirt.
So keep your eyes open. New hoodies as well.
Stealthy
hoodies. They look good.
Is it like 3D? What, so you're doing 3D still on that?
I'm not 100% sure on the hats. I'll keep you posted. That's why we're going down there to see today, just to make sure we're happy with everything and making sure the quality is good of what we're selling. Not sure what he's doing.
My eyes are open.
But he's actually helping me with the document for what we need for the photo shoot.
Okay.
So we're trying to get him involved in a little bit more and getting him to give me a hand.
Okay, so new merch coming very, very soon.
New merch coming very soon, and Ted is
exciting times. He's excited to get there.
That's how Calvin looks usually.
What? Oh, like that?
Or he's like this, squints like, because he ain't got his glasses.
I'm looking forward to a new t-shirt.
You haven't actually wore your glasses in ages.
I know, because they're broke. One of the arms, I tried taping it, like Jack Duckworth.
How's it broke? Can we glue it together?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Glue sages.
One of the little pins come out, yeah, I think it could glue.
So you could glue the pin from there into the arm?
Yeah. All right, I'll bring them in.
Mattresses are on their way.
Oh,
3.5, 10 or 12.
Nice, all right.
Only got to put 'em
See you later.
See you later.